Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be checking out the new update in Animal Company with my friend Kitty Berber.
Hi.
Hi. Anyway, let's go check out the new update and let's go. Okay, I just need to get my pickaxe ready.
I've got my pickaxe ready.
Okay, okay. I heard there's a new skiing map, so let's go check out that out. Okay, I think I already have skiing stuff in my stash, but yeah. Okay, yeah, I have something. Anyway, should we go check out the thing?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go. Meet you up! Anyway, now we're up here.
Hi.
Okay,
Let me just
now
get my
all we need to do is just jump down. Okay, this is steep. Yeah, well I'm at the bottom now, so yeah.
I'm nearly there.
Okay, we're at the bottom. Still work. Oh my god, they still work. Okay, this is just a good update.
I'm here.
Okay. Oh, it still works. You can hardly see that. Let me take a photo of you. Let me take a photo of you. Smile. Okay. I can't see you. Okay, anyway. Hi, come here. Well, it's on the map now. Okay, let's go see if Sue's is still open. Okay, it's quite slow. Oh, wait, it's open. I didn't expect that. Oh, never mind, it's closed. Okay, what about lake? Wait, there's a lake in this. Yeah, definitely. Well, I'm gonna go buy something.
I'm gonna go back to the top.
Alright, just wait for me. I don't have enough. Damn it! Okay, I'm coming up. Damn, guys, I'm not okay. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit. I'll speed up this part for you guys. Video.
Well, I am.
How much did that cost me?
No, that if you get it from there, they're for free.
Oh yay! Okay, I am moving way faster.
Yeah, that's how you move faster.
Okay, I'm going back now. I'm going back now.
I fell down the hill.
Okay, good for you.
I don't know.
Oh god, if I need it. Oh well. Do you own crossbows?
think.
You an RPG ammo?
Hmm?
Oh, that was
You
good.
get lots of RPG ammo off of the present and lots of RPGs.
Okay, I'll take this then.
Was porn everything. I got the heart gun because
But really, what am I?
Oh, that lose you, Oh, it's down here. Oh.
I've seen something on you.
Oh, I'm in the mountain. Yeah.
Okay, no, I don't think my grapple is anywhere to be found. Wait, what?
What did I just do?
Yeah, you deleted my grappler.
Cool.
Ooh,
Now I know how to delete people's. What?
you have to.
Hey, I'm going over to present.
Good luck. I'm staying here. Ooh, there's water just in case we need to go. I'm out in the water.
Oh, damn, he's coming over here.
Where are you? Bro, come down here. There's nothing to worry about. Oh my god, the vent on the stairs? I can't leave you. I'm cooked. Look at him. Hey, can you revive me, please?
No, I can't.
Really?
I died.
Well, we had to try. I think I found a glitch.
One inventory. He's gonna die.
Ew.
Die! Keep punching him! Should get a weapon.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm doing.
Anybody try and mess with me, they're gonna die.
Oh god. Oh my god, look at Vent Monster.
Yeah, have you never seen Vent Monster before?
Yeah, remember? We went on the trip?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've seen him lot.
Hey yo, his cheeks.
Shotguns are so good for this. You can grab loot. I forgot that. Yeah, just pull everything over. Oh wait, is that dragon pistol? Oh, I love dragon pistol. Oh, there's another sword that you
A
can
shotgun!
Look.
Don't take
Shotgun.
that heart gun because that's mine.
Okay.
Ooh, can I have that?
What?
This.
The flamethrower skull, yeah. I'm gonna go get Karen.
Can you
and
put this on your waist? No, you can't put it anywhere. Ow.
There's only 2 shots in this. Oh well. Time to grab some loot.
It's basically just an overpowered shotgun. Look what I got.
Open.
Really?
Why didn't that open it?
It's not that type of crate. Really? Ooh, flavor skull. Okay, okay.
I've got a hot gun, so I'm safe anytime.
Oh yeah, same. Can you revive me, please?
Yeah, just come over here. Yeah, 1 second, Joe.
Oh, yay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Wait, what? Don't kill that thing, it's fine.
I just rage baited him. Jack, I'm just gonna rage bait these people now.
Okay, but I'm kind of hooked.
Yeah, you need to open this crate, Jack. Oh, and that one. I'll save it for you.
Oh, Arthur!
Run!
I don't
Yeah.
need to. You do, not me.
We got 2 though.
Go!
Don't worry. I'll save you, citizen. No, I won't.
Kill him! It made